What is data analysis now? It's a technique that typically involves multiple activities such as gathering, cleaning, and organizing the data. These processes, which usually include data analysis software, are necessary to prepare the data for business purpose. Data analysis is also known as data analytics, described as the science of analyzing raw data to draw informed conclusion based on the data. Data comes in different structures, formats, and types, including the following. Those are big data. Big data is defined as a huge data set that continues to grow at an exponential rate over time. The four fundamental characteristics of big data are volume, variety, velocity, and variability. Volume describes quantity. Velocity refers to the speed of the data growth, and variety indicates data sources. Veracity speaks about the quality of the data, determining if it provides businesses value or not. Then there are structured and unstructured data. Structured data is predefined data model, such as a traditional row column database. Unstructured data comes in a format that does not fit in rows and columns and can include videos, photos, audio, text, and more. A comparison of structured versus unstructured reveals that structured data is easier to manage and analyze. Metadata is a form of data that describes and provides information about other data. For example, the metadata for an image can include the author, image type, and date created. Metadata enable users to organize unstructured data into categories, making it easier to work with. Real-time data, data that is presented as soon as it is required, is known as real-time data. This type of data is useful when decisions require up to the minute information. For example, a stockbroker can use a stock market ticker to track the most active stocks in real time. Machine data. Thanks to the Internet of Things, IoT, sensors, and other technologies, data can be automatically generated by factory systems and other machines. Information technology and telecommunication infrastructure, smart cars, handheld device, and more. This type of data is known as machine data because it is produced wholly by machines without human instructions.